Good morning. In the papers today, confidence is increasing rapidly in the property market, with 2/3 of owners expecting a rise of up to £7,261 on the current price of an average 3-bedroom semi-detached house, according to Zoopla, in the first half of this year. Foreign investors' desire for London property grew in 2012 as overseas buyers poured £2.2 billion into new build homes, which is up from £1.8 billion in 2011. London's historic appeal has been a major pull factor. Its rising prosperity and the relative weakness of the pound have attracted overseas investors, along with its position as an international financial centre. The market has attracted a significant proportion of people from Singapore and Hong Kong, which both led the field with a 23% and 16% share respectively of the prime London new build market. In economic news today, consumer price inflation remains struck above the Bank of England's 2% target since November 2009, according to data from ONS. The headline figure arrived at 2.7% for the third time in a row in December, signalling the 37th straight month of above target price growth of 2% higher than the set goals. The index kept its smooth rate of growth thanks to the balancing effects from transport and energy prices. Consumer price inflation was up at 2%, is putting a squeeze on consumers' purchasing power, given that latest data show that annual earnings growth was only half this rate, at 1.3% in October. This is alarming for growth prospects in 2013, as much will depend on how much consumers spend. In personal finance, car insurance rises sharply for single young women, according to figures revealing inequalities emerging from the EU's gender-neutral insurance ruling. Young women with a partner on their insurance policy saw a 5% rise in the premiums at the end of 2012, and they are in a much stronger position to escape the worst impact of the European Court of Justice gender neutrality ruling. Their single counterparts suffered a 17% rise in premiums. Young women with a partner were considered less likely to drive at dangerous times and are more likely not to go out on Saturday evenings. Up to 1,800 energy jobs have been lost and 1,100 more are in danger due to the fact delays implementing government energy efficiency policies, according to business leaders last night. They said companies involved in fitting insulation had been forced to lay off hundreds of staff over Christmas because orders have frozen up and are showing no signs of recovery until the summer. The Insulation Industry Forum protested in a letter to the Energy Secretary Ed Davey that plans to insulate 34,000 homes had been cancelled at the coldest time of the year because of lack of funding, and many insulation orders had been delayed. This has resulted in hundreds of job losses and many at risk of redundancy.